Yeah, by the time this is all said and done, I could have probably bought one cheaper. Good afternoon, YouTube. I'll work back on my rack again. Pretty tired. I'm after work. It's after work, and I'm gonna work on this thing. I got this pulley here, and I want to make a bender out of it. Oh, I got this pulley right there, and I want to be able to bend this pipe around it. So, I mean, I got it for that right there. Got that pulley, I got some metal, I got some pieces of pipe, and we're going to drill and we're going to make it happen. Well, that drilled pretty easy. There's a 1/2-inch hole in that. See if that tubing fits in there. Oh, it don't. All right. I'm going to have to find a bigger bit. I could have probably bought one cheaper. Well, so far so good. Then, oh, I gotta cut that piece off. I don't know if it'll work. We're just trying to make it work. Just trying to make it happen. Just keep cutting and making. Yeah, by the time this is all said and done, I could have probably bought one cheaper. I don't have a camera guy following me around. Don't have him. But let's take that out of there. That in there. That in there. Where's my other piece? Oh, right there. That in there. Put well, I made my first attempt at my homemade bender here. It did all right. I'm still working on it. I mean, it's not the best bends. 45s don't look too bad. It's the 90s that are kind of bad. But I don't know. I mean, it works pretty good. Might have to do a little more tweaking to it. Yeah. Homemade bender. Not real happy with it yet, but I gotta get that last measurement down, so that's gonna go right there. So I gotta get a couple more measurements down and put that I mean, that bend didn't turn out too bad. The 90s are, I don't know. If I was going to make another one, I'd get a different bender. But it's looking good so far. All right. That's enough for tonight. Mosquitoes are starting to bite, so I'll talk to you later. Probably, oh, not tomorrow. It's Taco Tuesday. I'm going to go get some tacos, but maybe Wednesday, Thursday. I got to have this done because we're going on a venture ride at the end of the month, so I got to get it done. Okay, good afternoon. It's after work again. I kind of bent this one up. I didn't have very good success on them bends. But I think I might use it anyways. Because I don't want to buy another piece. I might buy another piece, but then, I put this stop on here. I had to make a stop because it was moving. And look at that bend. That turned out sweet. For a homemade bender. Like I said, I probably should have bought one. But yeah. Yeah, that worked. So, I think it's dinner time. And I'll get back on this maybe tomorrow. I gotta have it done in 2 weeks because we're going on an adventure. So, thanks for watching. I'll get back with you. Try to finish this up.